In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Poshmark account that is not working. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry. We have a series of steps to help you get back on track. Let's dive in and resolve this together. First, check whether Poshmark is experiencing an outage. You can do this by visiting status trackers online. These trackers provide real-time information about the app's performance. If there are no widespread problems reported, it indicates that the issue is likely specific to your device or account. This step is crucial because it helps you determine if the problem is on Poshmark's end or yours. If it's not an outage, we can move forward with some troubleshooting. Next, force close the Poshmark app and then reopen it. To do this, simply swipe up or use the app manager on your device to close the app completely. Once you have done that, open the app again. If this doesn't resolve the issue, restart your phone. Restarting your device can clear temporary glitches that might be affecting app performance. It's a simple yet effective fix that many users overlook. Now make sure the Poshmark app is updated to the latest version. Open your app store, search for Poshmark, and check if there is an update available. Using an outdated version of the app can lead to login issues and other loading problems. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it can often resolve many common issues. After confirming that the app is updated, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists. Sometimes a weak Wi-Fi signal can cause connectivity issues. Additionally, if you are using a VPN or ad blocker, try disabling them temporarily. These tools can sometimes interfere with app functionality. A stable internet connection is essential for a smooth experience on Poshmark. Once that is done, sign out of your account and then sign back in. This can refresh your session and solve minor account-related issues. If you have forgotten your password or if you recently changed your phone number or email address, use Poshmark's account recovery options. This step is important because it ensures that your account is secure and accessible. You will see a confirmation appear once you successfully sign back in. If you use an iPhone, the next step is to delete and reinstall the Poshmark app. Go to your home screen, find the app, and hold down until the option to delete appears. Confirm the deletion, then head to your app store to reinstall it. For Android users, clearing the app's cache and data can resolve similar issues. Go to your settings, find the app, and select the options to clear cache and data. Reinstalling or clearing the app can refresh its functionality and fix underlying issues. At this point, check if your account has been restricted or suspended. Do this by reviewing your email for any notifications from Poshmark. Additionally, check the news section in the app under Account for any warnings or verification requests. Accounts can be restricted for violating community guidelines or if additional verification is needed. Understanding the status of your account is crucial to knowing how to proceed. If none of these steps work, the final option is to contact Poshmark support through the official support page. You can find this at support.poshmark.com. Their team can provide personalized assistance to resolve your account issues. Remember, reaching out for help is always an option if troubleshooting alone does not resolve the problem. You are not alone in this process, and support is available. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get your Poshmark account working again.